study exercise 4.2 question number 1 and 2 in detail. The concepts related to this exercise are already discussed. You can check the link in description box. So let's start. First question is, which one of the following points is true? इन सब ऑप्शन में से कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है and why? We have to give it a reason. Y is equals to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution. Only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. First of all, we have to check that it is a linear equation in two variables, and we have studied that it has infinitely many solutions. So third is the correct answer. The reason is because for every value of x, हम x के जो भी वैल्यू रखेंगे, देयर इज अ कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू ऑफ y. y की भी हमें एक कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू मिलेगी. सिमिलरली वाइस वर्सा क्यों लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे? फॉर एवरी वैल्यू ऑफ y की हर एक वैल्यू के लिए कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग x की एक वैल्यू अवेलेबल है. दैट्स व्हाई देयर आर इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ दिस गिवन इक्वेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Write four solutions for each of the following equations. First equation is 2x plus y is equals to 7. Equation can be written as y equals to 7 minus 2x. हमने 2x को राइट हैंड साइड शिफ्ट कर दिया तो उसका साइन चेंज हो गया. ये हमने सिर्फ इसलिए किया, इट इज नॉट कंपलसरी, ताकि हमारी कैलकुलेशंस इजी हो जाए. हम x की एक वैल्यू पुट करें तो हमें y बहुत आराम से मिल जाए, क्योंकि ये अकेला है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. दैट्स व्हाई. सो we can put any value of x, we'll get a corresponding value for y. Putting x is equals to 0. So y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 0. 7 minus 0, that is 7. So हमें हमारा solution मिल गया. x हमारा है 0, y is 7. So first हमें solution मिला. For second solution, putting x is equals to 1, y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 1, y equals to 7 minus 2, y equals to 5. Second solution is 1, 5. Putting x is equals to सपोज -1, माइनस रख के देख लेते हैं इस बार. y is equals to 7 minus 2 into -1, y equals to 7 minus -2, y equals to minus minus plus 7 plus 2, that is 9. So y equals to 9. Third solution is -1, 9. Putting x is equals to 2, y equals to 7 minus 2 into 2, 7 minus 4, so we'll get y equals to 3. So we'll get our fourth solution, 2, 3. So we can write four possible solutions of a given equation are 0, 7, 1, 5, minus 1, 9 and 2, 3. Second part, pi x plus y equals to 9. Again the equation can be written as y को हमने अकेला छोड़ दिया, equals to 9 minus pi x. X is equals to 0. We'll get y equals to 9 minus pi into 0. Pi into 0 is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9, y equals to 9. So the first solution we get is 0, 9. Now putting x is equals to 1, y is equals to 9 minus pi into 1, that is equals to 9 minus pi. बस अब इसे हम यही छोड़ देंगे. So we have got our second solution, 1, 9 minus pi. Now putting x is equals to 2 here, y is equals to 9 minus pi into 2, 9 minus 2 pi. So we have got our third solution, 2, 9 minus 2 pi. Putting x is equals to 3 now, y equals to 9 minus pi into 3, y equals to 9 minus 3 pi. So our fourth solution is 3, 9 minus 3 pi. So we can say four possible solutions of a given equation are 0, 9, 1, 9 minus pi, then 2 and 9 minus 2 pi, and the last is 3, 9 minus 3 pi. थर्ड इज x इज इक्वल्स टू 4y. इसमें ऑलरेडी हमें फॉर्म मिली हुई है, हमारी एक वेरिएबल हमारा LHS में है ऑलरेडी. पुटिंग y इक्वल्स टू 0, we'll get x equals to 4 into 0, that is 0. x कोऑर्डिनेट पहले लिखा जाता है 0, 0. Then putting y equals to 1, x is equals to 4 into 1, x equals to 4. Second solution is 4, 1. In this way, you can put any number. Putting y equals to 2, x equals to 4 into 2, x equals to 8. Our third solution is 8, 2. Putting y equals to suppose 10. So we'll get x is equals to 4 into 10, x equals to 40. So our fourth solution is 40, 10. So four possible solutions of a given equation are 0, 0, then 4, 1, then 8, 2, and last 40, 10. So I hope these two questions must be clear to you. If you have any doubt in any part, you can comment in the comment section below.